In today's video, let me teach you on how you can see how many hours you've played in Roblox. First, open your Roblox on your device and log into your account. For example, we'll be using PC. So simply open the browser and search for Roblox website. After logging it to your account, let's add a Chrome extension called RoPro, where this extension will be used to see how many hours you've played Roblox. Open a new tab and type RoPro. Open this website right here. Then when you're in the main dashboard, click on Install on Chrome button. Next, click Add to Chrome and follow the procedures in adding an extension. After adding it as an extension, go back to Roblox page and reload it. Once done reloading the page, you'll be able to see that RoPro has been added to your Roblox homepage. Take note that there might be a thing where you need to activate your extension, but the process is pretty simple. Go to Home tab on Roblox and you'll see the button Verify RoPro User on the upper right corner of the screen. Simply click it. Next, click Verify your Roblox account in game. Now click on the blue button right here. Then click Open Roblox Game Client. Wait for a while for the Roblox Game Client to be open. Next, simply click Generate Verification Code. Now simply copy the code right here on the screen. Then next, move back Roblox and paste the copied code. Once you receive a notification that it is successful, then it will automatically reload the page. Next, go to the upper right corner and click on RoPro logo, and you'll be redirected to another page. And here, make sure that the button Experience Playtime Tracking is turned on. After that, you can go back to Roblox and see any of the game that you want, and the hours played should be revealed. And that's it for today's video. This has been your go-to channel for gaming content, Gaming Family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you on the next videos.